The Illumistand is a light-up double-sided retractable banner stand that makes graphics glow. With the Illumistand, you get the look of a light box and the easy setup and convenience of a roll-up banner. The kit comes with a heavy-duty durable base with molded grey end caps, 2 graphics, a bungee pole, graphic slider and a premium padded carry bag. The LED lights are fixed inside of the silver base and shine upward to illuminate both graphics. To begin, assemble the bungee pole and place it at the base of the stand. Ensure the upper support clip is attached to the pole. Then, gently raise your graphic, lean the unit back and pull the graphic up by the top rail. Secure the rail onto the pole and repeat the same steps with the graphic on the other side. Once the graphics are in place, use the terminal wire to plug your base in. The lights will automatically turn on when plugged in. The Illumistand setup is now complete. Thanks again for visiting our YouTube page. Please take a look at some of our other videos, subscribe and reach out for more information.